Yes, country people them, good afternoon. Afternoon for outside, day for outside. Inside Tori for this afternoon, country people them. We go take una go for that side. So for Bamenda, Sabi say since we house them the born, governor, maybe don't promise say get for do some small work. We don't turn back for there for see as with this palaver they happen. So we go talk with some big mommy them for that side. So for inside Bamenda. This afternoon too, we go take una go for quarter where they call and say dog bong. We just now na plastic paper, plastic bottle them. They don't flop for outside. Population for inside dog bong, they beg. Make a big people them, they come for can clean all that dirty them when a so bottle them. How Ascension Day, it be waka for that side for Tombell. We go take una enter too for talk on top palaver for Ascension Day way pass for inside church for Tombell. It be then a chance for church for Tombell Day, Presbyterian Church for give small help for some mommy them where they no get their own for inside their house. We get the Guardian Post newspaper too, where it day outside. We'll go talk on top that palaver this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we no matter how we dirty, it plenty for inside your eye. You know if it ever use broom for comotam. I say no matter how we dirty, plenty for inside your eye. You know if you ever use broom for comotam. Now Babila Collins, it she done for that side for Fish Pond Quarter. Inside Bamenda. Now he send we big part of for this afternoon at the turn back small time. Good afternoon. Last Tori we did not come for inside moon for May. Sabi say from next week, out in the fine, we go meet up for inside the new moon. We would already start and then the last one, inside moon for May. Make we enter for Tori, we will get them for this afternoon. We don't talk for na say palava for house away the bonam for that side. So for Muachu, Alachu, and even for Matam for inside Mancon. Sabi say since so they be talk on top this palava. Governor says for that side. So for inside the Bamenda, Governor for Norway's Adolphe Lele Lafrique, it be make 13-man commission where it be get for enter for count the number for head and tin them for people them where that fire be burn them. But that's why we go for inside that place where fire burn. Just so Sabi say some of the people that will take on away they try for visit them. Now people that way they so certain now they never even see one governor man where he don't come for can talk say they so now we they don't send them. Now we when governor don't talk say me can look and power they see that mommy says on a face yam. All them they try for tell we say they so certain now they never see even one governor or person where he can for can talk with them. So just now them say they don't confuse on top this palaver whether true the commission where they talk say they don't make 13-man commission it don't already start work or it never start work. Now the house and that we don't turn back for inside place for Muachu, Alachu and even Matsam for under Mancon Sabi say na for that side where this fire so it be born it don't make at least 2-3 weeks when the fire be born for that side. We turn back for there for Sabi whether true all the people that they don't come but some of the people that will meet up they talk say sote now they never see even one person where they talk say nan governor man or person where they work like that for that commission where you don't come ask them wait on a loss for this side wait on a no loss for this side. Maybe the commission people that is also come but not just for talk for them say this so people they the way them. Make we hear wait to some big man Mr. Seb a talk for Mbu Stella Palava the house where they be born.
I did then the bonum. Then move my mattress with a blanket go through television, hand them, my clothes them, 2 box, the document for picking them, think them plenty begin. You know, ask me, I go she don't go to my brother. They drag, I will come and come. I feel safe for outside again. I'll be there for us. The other one come home my hand. The same mother come go outside. Then phone they enter for us. Let them be born now. That one way home my hand. So many is time for outside. No, the king. No, these people now. I mean them. I know my own safety. The king. I mean them. I know my own safety. I know them say they now. Na petrol. We move from. Water and food. They put my cheese here. I did then.
Yes, na mami that some big mami will meet up and so it be the tewi as well the palava happen. Sabi say for sika the house we born, house where they born. Plenty of them just now, they shit down for some kind of war condition. One of them, mommy, there will be meet up and two. We enter now so for inside that big mommy house. For tell una say inside the one room where the room no even get ceiling. Now for they will big mommy just now, it managed with some IDP them. It means they put there the wrong wall where they shit down with it. Now on top that bedroom like some 5 people them that they sleep on top. Since we they burn the other side for house self no get window. Other one they sleep now for mattress or ground. Sabi say the condition it don't make answer where the talk. Maybe even governor or governor say go try for see this palaver with this mommy them. So for that side for inside Amuachu, Alachu, and even for Matsam, as we condition don't make all people they paka now for inside one room. Now for the way they sleep. Make we hear wait that mommy says a talk from Boostella since we this palaver for fire pals waiting way it don't give that mommy heart for so she done for inside the place.
Mommy, I give all for God because if I beside the think I for feed die. I just give my heart for God. I put chorus my mouth. I dey sing only for forget everything. So now I need to even feel it. I need to feel anything again. Because the first day I'm coming up, I be feel collapse. Because sorry, only for the my refugees that they come up Africa. I be feel collapse.
Now then how many be the stay for inside?
Now then four. We dey sleep for that room. I be dey put that small mattress or room there. When they manage on top. Mommy will do her. Cocoa from this yellow cocoa they call a man capsa or patch. Now with the chopper. You don't look round. No back rice, no day, nothing. Nothing. They don't go for sale for Tarinkon, so they go manage sale for some woman on Tarinkon. When the workers sometimes they buy rice, cow, cook and buy tomato, fry and they chop. As a small rice that for some pan, I think that pan they never table. Well, I say my manage sham. When they come, I just put red or when they come, we manage sham. Then they pass. Mommy, I give all for.
Also, they suffer the be with a mommy them for that side where they so they be burn them house plus palava way IDP the them. But will be one try for Sabi if mommy it don't receive any of the people them where Ngomna it don't put and say they get for can look the damage where they be make on top their house. Waiting be the answer where mommy give from Boostella make all we hear them.
What happens so? I be there do Allah they operate my daughter. I just go to Allah for Wednesday. The incident happened for Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, are they here? So my sister, they can't stand, say, Governor, they can't pass. Then I come, they say, make photocopy, identity. Then we snap inside the burn. We bring them. We go palace that day. With the wait governor. As we go palace. We should done there about some, I think like 1 hour. Governor to never come. 1 only year gone. Oh man, big for today. So no, and for me, never hear me no matter. I don't know whether until the past or I never hear anything.
Yes, palava for inside that palava with the burn house them for side for Alachum and even for Matsam. We close them. We enter for inside Dualam. If you want Sabi say they so place it dirty. Dualam, apart from saying a Binet capital, we fit on top put am to say na capital for dirty. We enter from Dogbong side, na some 1/4 for side from Dogbong, na for inside Duala here, con the people them, where it don't turn na quarter way, all plastic them, all bought to the way na plastic. You want get any kind of size, you go for that side. Now for the way all the bottle them, they don't go gather, it they like say na their meeting place at, as soon as they see them. So even the population where they shit on for inside the quarter for Dogbong, them say they don't tire inside wrapping paper you go only meet on the bottle the way people they don't drink and even the bottle the way they so they don't carry them for different sides. Sabi say as well rain it don't start fall for inside Duala water you know they even fit for work again for sika this palava for plenty bottle them where they not just for corner people them house this bottle the way they turn up so it they make and say way water instead for it for worker for the better road where they don't open them it instead enter for inside people them house. So on top this palaver for bottle the way don't plenty. Now so to population for that side they try for beg whether na company them or na even city council or na council where they get for can do the work. Make they can gather all the plastic bottle them so that no go worry them. Sabi say rain don't start fall and water rain the fit for waka fine when the bottle they plenty so they beg na beg make big people them or even other people that way they fit for do the thing. They try for come gather all the bottle them where it don't plenty for that side so for Dogbon. They say as we rain the first step water it don't the enter for people them house for sika palava this bottle the way they so they don't flop for inside that small stream for that side so for Dogbon. So they beg and we pray to say big people them for Douala they go try for see the thing they check sense how will they go gather all these plastic bottle them they go through them so that no go worry people them for inside Dogbon. Sabi say no be na only for that side where they suffer even other place them we get bottle the way they plenty. But just now we go enter for inside chapter for church. Sabi say big day for Ascension it be happen for Thursday. We be there for that side for Tombel too after Limbe for Presbyterian Church Tombel side them. Big prayer it be happen and it be there na opportunity too for church people them for use them for help mommy them with their own them. Sabi say inside this chapter for church they be prayer tuna for peace for say make peace it last turn back. Now so to they use opportunity for help some mommy the way they know the sea mommy them too they so them too they don't run come up for different side mommy them they carry small chop go back for house and Sabi said the one it be then a part of the church he walk as way Jesus a papa God the pikin go for up them say they talk say me they try for see what they fit do with this mommy them too they no get their own for chop for that side so for Tombel. Make we hear waiting way if they so pastor for inside that church, pastor for church, a pastor, Sango pastor too, he talk for Shakino Molom, a microphone.
We thank God for say this day for Ascension, where Jesus Christ will go up for heaven. Now they will think say may we raise also the aspirations and the hopes of the people where they suffer. And so we where God it don't bless we. For say we get hand, we get foot. We suppose for the support them. And I think where it happen every year 2 times for Presbyterian Church Tombe. And so today now another day.
We go hear some of the mommy and papa too where they be get this help for church people them for Presbyterian Church for Tombe.
Very grateful for the gift of all giving. We thank God so may continue to give the people there ready to join us for me. I would praise the rest so may God give them that courage and what it already taken. We thank the pastor for the Presbyterian Church for Tombe. Be very grateful. I say may God bless them, may God say continue to bless them.
God thank the congregation. And at the time God too. Say any man will rely on God his own way. Well, ever sleep hungry. So I thank the gift with the congregation through the Holy Spirit of God.
As we school people them for Form 5, people them for upper seats, and people them for terminal, they continue for write their exam today. Sabi say some school them, they don't already start close for this second or third term, where it been one of the term the way they so long plenty for school picking them. Sabi say the period too, plenty other school they do they struggle for see as way they go give small thing them for picking them as way they turn back. Sabi say for Loom side, school them they already close, but plenty of the teacher them they talk say this school year it be strong for them plenty. For Sika say plenty of them they run common now for Tombel for can she done for Loom, so he make them tin the strong plenty. Someone they said they don't even pay school fees, so the new school year or the school year it don't finish. For some people them as we as Jacquino Molom says he talk for we. Now so make we hear way to teacher he talk palava this school year we just finish.
The school year don't be very difficult for we because our source of income now fees. But as speaking them, their papa them, they not pay fees because they be displaced. So when they talk say they not harvest their cocoa, they not harvest their plantains and so on because their farms are there for wall areas. So it will be very difficult for we for collect fees, and it will be very difficult for we for pay teachers. So we pray say make this situation, make the war come to an end as soon as possible, so that we fit go back to our normal activities or our normal towns that we will come out like for we will fed before Tombel. During our stay for Tombel, that we fed that we will get no problem.
Now one of the teacher them that for inside school for loan where he get for run for Seka Palava where they happen. We go enter small for politics just now for we for finish story for this side. We enter for Bangam for talk say Cameroon Renaissance movement people them just now for inside Bangam. They don't get the new head boy for that side. Sabi saying Gando for put the new big people them for inside Cameroon Renaissance movement party. He passed for Bangam for before the big people necessary they come Douala side here for go put them for chair. One of the things the way they talk for them, as so they put them for on top chair, the new big people them for Cameroon Renaissance movement for Bangam. Now for say they make the party it get strong for inside Bangam and may they so continue for talk for people them for can join the party. Sabi say then Gando it be concentrate plenty now for on top the elect or now for install the new big people them where it they so they don't put them for chair like head boy them for Cameroon Renaissance movement inside Banga. Now so we finish story for this afternoon country people them. Make we a quick enter for inside the newspaper where day for we before. This afternoon we get the guidance post where they outside. Inside the guidance post, they tell we Nkunkumai Pikin, they cash it for Yawende. Now which Nkunkumai Pikin that way they don't cash it for Yawende, the guidance post, he get that answer for inside. Guidance post, he don't enter for part 2 for the Anglophone people that way they do better for outside Dave when he consign Binet. You fit enter, you read all the things the way you want for Sabi for some of these Anglophone people them. You get Elung Polche, one of them, and even OC Joshua with other people that way they day when an Anglophone the way they make better thing when we want talk Binet inside we country. So for the guidance post, you go read Tori where they tell we big people them for CPDM just now, they don't so continue for see as where they go come out Ekema Patrick for a chair according to where the guidance post in the talk for we. Palava money where we country in the O and for France with the here say 26 billion na money that where it is so France ngomna it don't help a country and for see say make country no so continue for the poor. All that to read them you fit for read them inside the guidance post where it be outside today. Now to read them that for this afternoon country people them just for Sabise for Saturday we get PG News debate and we own people that will go talk palava them way don't pass inside this week. We get Frundi, the one for Douala here we go be with we, and we get another man picking to we call he name na Jones. We get Jones we says go be with we tomorrow. Tamfu Jones we he go be with we tomorrow for 12:30. Sabise PG News debate. It come from 12:30. Sote for 1:30 with the turn back for talk. Plenty of the team them we it don't pass inside this week. I want to say big thank you for you, Zefren Gondi. Thank you to Plenty Malis and even you, Warren Zede. Wanna make and say me Tori happen fine. We never forget all people there they make this week work a fine. Jackie Nomolum, Mbu Stella, and even you for that side, Ogalai and other people them. Plenty thank. Now for 12:30 we go jam for Saturday. On a whole I'm tight.